Still nothing on YouTube. Hi everybody tuning on Facebook. We're just waiting for YouTube to starting and then we'll get started. Hey, look, there I am. I can see myself. Welcome everybody. Thanks for joining. Gonna put myself on silent. Let us know in the comments if the sound's all right. When I say us, I mean let Joao know in the comments. Joao's here helping us today on tech, and Hidde is here providing amusement and gezelligheid. Thanks for joining. Yeah, just seeing if this works. Awesome. Nice that you're there, Bernie. Thanks for coming in, Bertie. Anyway, it's been a special week in the Netherlands, so we're going to start off with something that will make Wids and me very proud. So. Hoeft niet. No, this was the Dutch national anthem for anybody who didn't realize. The past week, it was Koningsdag or King's Day, where everybody sings and plays that. So, you know, it was fun. And it was nice having Hidde stand up and, you know, be all proud about it. Just like that. We're quarantining together, so, you know, hence the lack of 2 meter afstand. That's a Zondag met Lubach reference, which I doubt many of you will get. Absolutely everyone will understand it. Anyway, everybody, thanks for joining. People watching on Facebook, head over to YouTube because the sound there is really good. We've got mics, which are like legit nice. Hit subscribe and like the video. That would really help me. And there are links for donations. There's Tiki and PayPal for people living outside the Netherlands. We've already even had some donations, so thank you everybody for that. And enjoy the concert. And same as always, you can leave any requests in the comments and maybe I'll get to play them. Although we do have a full program for today. Any I don't do this week, we'll try and do the week after. That's enough speaking. This is another Dutch song by an amazing artist called Woodstick, and you should check him out. Mijn ogen liegen niet, ik lees aan jouw gezicht af dat er iets veranderd is. Alsof al ons verdriet is verdwenen in je glimlach. Vandaag schijnt een ander licht. Ik ben benieuwd wat jouw geheim is. Deel het met mij. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Je bent mooi als ik je zie je stralen als het zonlicht zonder meer. De mooiste ben je liever, al heb je dat niet door. Dan zeg ik het graag, daar ben ik toch voor. Ik ben er vandaag en morgen, overmorgen. Ik ben er voor altijd, ik ben al lang blij dat ik naar je kijken kan elke dag. Ook als de nacht zich meldt, liever dan schijn je zelfs meer. En morgen als je wakker wordt, dan zeg ik het weer. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Leen mij een beetje van jouw licht. Haal mij uit de schaduw. Ik zou willen vliegen, maar ik draag te veel gewicht. Leen mij een vleugels. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Zelfs mooi als je me haat, maar dat doe je nooit. A beautiful song, Mooi by Vudstick. Bertie already wins cutest comment for the evening. Love you, Bertie.
For some reason, someone on Facebook is very weird.
Ah, okay. People on Facebook, make sure you head over to YouTube because the sound is really good. Joao, maybe you can edit the message on Facebook so people know to go straight there. Thanks for joining, everybody. Yeah. It's a very special day today because it's the 1st of May and Hida had a very lovely request. As most of you know, I studied classical singing as Hida's getting enthusiastic that I'm doing his request. I studied classical singing and I know a lot of people watching are from Germany as well. Well, a few people watching are from Germany. So, here we go. Im wunderschönen Monat Mai, als alle Knospen sprangen, da ist in meinem Herzen die Liebe aufgegangen. mein Verlangen. Du meine Seele, du mein Herz, du meine Wonne, du mein Schmerz, du meine Welt, in der ich lebe, mein Himmel, du, worein ich schwebe, du mein Grab, in das hinab ich ewig meinen Kummer gab. Du bist die Ruhe, du bist ihr Friede. Du bist vom Himmel mir beschieden, dass du mich liebst, macht mich mir wert. Dein Blick hat mich vor mir verklärt. Du hältst mich liebend über mich, mein guter Geist, mein besseres Ich. Du meine Seele, du mein Herz, du meine Freude, du mein Schmerz, du meine Welt, in der ich lebe, mein Himmel, dein ich schwebe, mein guter Geist, mein besseres That was. Oh. That was Im wunderschönen Monat Mai by. Girl. Wait, who wrote this? Widow. No, I know. I always say this wrong. By a German composer who. Oh, Schumann. Right. Yeah, Schumann in Dichterliebe. Right, that was Dichterliebe, Schumann. And then that went into also Schumann Widmung, which two absolutely gorgeous songs. Ah, Sharon, great that you were watching. That was thanks, Bertie. Absolute cheeky is what I was going for. You know, this whole sort of setup is aimed in a Nando's, in a, you know, that was not even a funny joke. So, you know, what else do we have? Yeah, changing the mood a little bit to something a bit slower and sadder because, you know me. asked a few people to send me really nice songs in languages not from Europe, and I got this gorgeous, not just beautiful but gorgeous song, this Indonesian song in Bahasa Indonesia, so the majority language, and yeah, it's about sleeping on your own at night and wanting to be with him, but he's never there, and he's actually with somebody else. So here we go. This is Malam Sepi. I hope I said that right, and I hope I actually pronounced this right. So I'm sure my Indonesian friends can, tell me where I went wrong. If. Dutch als. Aku bancu malam sepi, bimbang diri datang lagi. Apa memang benar-benar dirinya teman hidup ini? Aku damba malam sunyi saat ku rabahkan diri, waktu bahagia ku bersama dia hanya dalam mimpi. Aku harus bagaimana, tak ingin berpisah, namun hatiku berkata sudah. Aku memang butuh dia, namun diriku bukan untuknya. Aku damba malam sunyi saat ku rabahkan diri, waktu bahagia ku bersama dia hanya dalam mimpi. Aku harus bagaimana, tak ingin berpisah, namun hatiku berkata sudah. Aku memang butuh dia, namun diriku bukan untuknya. Kau bersamanya. Thank you to Nick for sending that one through. That's an absolutely gorgeous one. Hey, I'm very glad somebody actually got the music quote played back. You get like 100 points for getting that. That was, I didn't think anybody would get it. Oh, Chantal, super lief. Ik mis je ook. Yes, ja, dat was Indonesisch. Ik heb het van een, a friend sent me that song. And I just think it's absolutely beautiful. Yeah.
You have people from Portugal watching.
I also have people from Portugal watching. Fantastic.
School teacher. My teacher.
Your teacher? Wait. Yeah.
Professor.
Olá, professora do João.
Oh. Everything is fine.
Oh, okay. You know, I'm just gonna let you guys do your thing. Hey Steph, leuk dat je er bent. Remember, people, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. It really helps me out. And we've already had some donations from people. There's Tiki and PayPal links underneath. Thank you so much for everyone who's already donated. And ja, Chantal, ik doe dan nog een muzikale referentie, verwijzing voor je. Greg. Ja, leuk dat jij ook er bent. Going back to Dutch for a little bit. Last week I sung this really gorgeous song, You Belong to Me, by Kate Rusby, which if you missed it, you can go and listen to it still and watch it from last week's concert. And Ans Bouter does amazing Dutch translations. And so I asked her to translate this one, You Belong With Me, because I think it would work really nicely in Dutch. So here we go. This is Met Me Samen Bent by Kate Rusby and translated by Ans Bouter. Als je bij de piramide bent, of een eiland heel ver weg verkent, weet dan dat je ook op dat moment met me samen bent. Op een oude marktplaats in Algiers, op de foto bij de souvenirs. Weet dat als jij daar het leven viert, met me samen bent, zonder jou zien vol te houden, is het ook zo stil nu daar bij jou. Wil je weg over de oceaan, naar de tropisch natte jungle gaan? Weet dat jij waar je ook heen zult gaan, met me samen bent. zonder jou zien vol te houden. Is het ook zo stil nu daar bij jou? Als je bij de piramide bent, of een eiland heel ver weg verkend, weet dat dan je ook op dat moment met me samen bent, met me samen bent, met me samen a lovely translation from Ons Balter of the Kate Rusby song "You Belong With Me." Is everything all right there?
Can you motivate people to go to the YouTube?
Yeah. No, there's no point because Facebook is not working at all.
Oh, Facebook's not working at all. Okay, guys, on Facebook, if you know anybody who's watching on Facebook, tell them to go over to YouTube and like my channel. Ding! I will... oh, Joao, you've already said about... you've already linked it, right? So I don't need...
Yeah, I linked it before.
Do I need to do anything else? Or
No.
just, no? Okay, cool. Then I'm going to keep going. No, I didn't make the Dutch words. That was by Ons Balter. She does absolutely amazing stuff. So, you know, go check her out. Absolutely. Just need to look up the lyrics a little bit. I played this one a while back, and but I played it in English. So, of course, we have to do it in Spanish as well. I used to play this one all the time when I was younger, and it's really we always sing this in my family, so it's really nice, like, to have that childish childhood remembrance. Memory of it. Man, I cannot speak English, but I guess that's absolutely not news to any of you guys. So, where did I put the lyrics? And fortunately, we have two songs that were actually with sharps and not flats. So, if I need to do anything, just let me know. Yeah.
I'm thinking of a solution.
Okay, good. Joao's on the solution. So people on YouTube, we don't need to worry. Si abre una ventana interior, es una storia de amor que se ha ido. Todo fue momento ayer y hoy que quiero volver, te persigo. Necesito lo que tú me das. Necesito un día más y solo pienso en ti, solo en ti. Él ya no cree en el amor, solo no di Versace, un fracaso. Todo junto a él es fingir y siento ganas de huir a tus brazos. Necesito lo que tú me das. Necesito verte un día más y solo pienso en ti, solo en ti. Va pasando el tiempo y no sé de lo que fue aquella vez que ha quedado. Te habrás olvidado de mí mientras yo vivo por ti, obsesionado. Necesito lo que tú me das. Necesito verte un día más y solo pienso en ti. All I wanted was to love you, gave. All I needed was another day, and all I ever knew. Y solo pienso en ti, solo en ti. Oh, dankjewel Chantal. What else do we have on the list?
Maybe you can do something with the number 50, because I heard that we just had the 50th day of intelligent lockdown in the Netherlands.
Oh, 50.
So to celebrate,
I-
would lock down 50 days and I would lock down 50.
Absolutely. I hope you guys can hear what Hidder is singing at the minute, saying that we should do a lockdown song, since it's been 50 days lockdown in the Netherlands.
Woo!
And that the suggestion would be, and I would walk... No, what?
Lock down 50
And I would lock
days.
down 50 days. And I would lock down 50 more. I mean, that part is waarschijnlijk wel waar, helaas.
I would.
Guys, let me know if you have any requests in the comments.
We're
And
back
it-
on Facebook.
Oh, perfect. We're back
Still
on
some
Facebook.
problems.
Yes. And yeah, especially if you guys have heard any other songs that I was doing, which you would like again. Yeah, let's do fun or sad. Let's do another sad song and save the fun for later. That's a good motto to live by, right? We'll head back to Cornwall for a little while, and I'm sure the boys will be able to join in singing me here. Oh, the internet is now not working on my thing. Fantastic. And we're back. Here we go. I think you guys will remember this one. And Joao, all Joao has to do is shout honey. So
nice.
I'm sure he'll remember it. Yeah.
Is it that one about the bees?
No,
Scream honey. Bee.
it's not about the bees, but the other night I had a dream, the funniest dream of all. I dreamt that I was kissing you behind the garden wall, and he said, "Little eyes, I love you. Little eyes, I love you. I love you in the springtime and the fall. Little Little eyes, I love you. Little eyes, I love you. I love you the best of all. Now tell me, honey, tell me, do, who is the one you love? F sharp. Oh, tell me, honey, tell me, do, who is your turtle dove? Oh, what's a good dove? And she and she said, little eyes, I love you. Little eyes, I love you. I love you in the springtime and the fall. Little eyes, I love you. Little eyes, I love you. I love you the most of all, honey, honey, honey. I took my baby home last night. Beneath the spreading vine, I put my arms around his waist and pressed his lips to mine. And he said, little eyes, I love you. Little eyes, I love you. I love you in the springtime and the fall. Little eyes, I love you. Little eyes, I love you. I love you the best of all, honey, honey. I went to call for my best girl. Her bulldog flew at me. It bit me in the old back porch beside the maple tree. And he said, little eyes, I love you. Little eyes, I love you. I love you in the springtime and the fall. Little eyes, I love you. Little eyes, I love you. I love you the best of all. And she said, little eyes, I love you. Little eyes, I love you. I love you in the springtime and the fall. Little eyes, I love you. Little eyes, I love you. I love you the best of all, honey, honey, honey. So, wrong key, troll. So now, so now I'll sing to you. It's about a lady fair I met the other evening at the corner of the square. She'd a dark and roving eye. Her face was covered over, and we roved all night in the pale moonlight, away down to Lamorna. 'Twas down in Albert Square. I never shall forget her eyes. They shone like diamonds, and the evening it was wet, wet, and hair hung down in curls. She was a charming rover, and we roved all night in the pale moonlight, away down to Lamorna. As she got in, which I need to pick tonality, major or minor. When she got in the cab, I asked her for her name, and when she gave it me, well, mine, it was the same. So I lifted up her veil, for her face was covered over. Yeah, to my surprise, it was my wife. Away down to, I took down to Lamorna. 'Twas 'Twas down in Albert Square. I never shall forget. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, and the evening it was wet, 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 and her hair hung down in curls. She was a charming rover, and we were off all night in the pale moonlight, away down to Le Morne. She said, I know thee well, I know thee in the dark, I knew thee in the dark, but I did it for a lark. And for that lark you'll pay, for the taking of your daughter, you'll pay the fate of the away down to Le Morne. 'Twas down in Albert Square. I never shall forget. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, and the evening it was wet, 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 and her hair hung down in curls. She was a charming rover, and we were off all night in the pale moonlight, away down to Le Morne. 'Twas down in Albert Square. I never shall forget. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds, and the evening it was wet, 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 and her hair hung down in curls. She was a charming rover, and we rode all night in the pale moonlight, away down to La Morne. Never ever gets old. Yo, Chantal, I was legit gonna say that we should. Yeah, great ending, right? It's a very good song. Ja, Tumanako. Ja, Chantal, heb je de tekst? Want ik wou dat oprecht zingen vandaag. Dus ik dacht, misschien, ja, heb je het online ergens staan, dan kan ik het even opzoeken. Kunnen we spelen, maar...
Ben,
Ja.
Sander out there
Ja?
asks for a happy birthday.
Oh, girl, it's Sander's birthday.
Yeah, I know.
Sander, oh, schatje, happy birthday. Do you know how to say it in... No,
Let's not go there.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sander. Sandy Wendy. Happy birthday to you. Lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de Happy birthday, Sander. I hope you had a good day. Oh, yeah, Chantal. Yeah, stuur de tekst even door. Are we still on Facebook? Are we still a go?
Still with problems.
Still with problems. Okay. People watching on Facebook, same old story. Head over to YouTube. We've got like really good mics and everything. Oh, I meant to say, Ivan, now you're here. Underneath the video, there's donation links. Some of you have already donated. Thank you very much. There's a link to my old albums. You can hear me making music from like 12, 13 years ago, a really long time ago. Like cute little baby Benji. And already with a legit, had a beard when I was 13. And I did an amazing project with Ivan last week, 2 weeks ago. We did a few virtual choir things together. And yeah, it's a Belgian choir called Swara. I've never said that in English before. Swara. And yeah, check it out as well. There's a really, it's a really nice video. Last week we did Barber's Agnus Dei as a virtual choir. So shit was crazy. And I mean, I'm saying that as a joke, but it was a really cool project. Chantal has just sent me the Tumanako lyrics to my email, so I'm checking these now. Thank you for sending them, bedankt. And this is a project that I did. Hey Chantal, dit is alleen die van Jos de Pauw. Heb je de tekst van het nummer? Want dat ken ik niet helemaal uit mijn hoofd. En als je dat doorstuurt, dan kan ik het wel gewoon spelen. Natuurlijk. Yeah, I will put a link to this in a little bit. Last year I went on tour with Chantal Akde, who's now in the comments, who's the daughter of my singing teacher at the conservatoire, so, you know, small world and everything. We went on tour in the Netherlands and Belgium, and we did an amazing album where Chantal wrote the music, and we premiered an oral music festival in the north of the Netherlands. So I will put that link as well in the description, because that's a really, really different style to what I do as well. And there was this one song, Tumanako, which we did as a duet first time of it, and it was like gorgeous. So Chantal writes amazing stuff. And you will hear that in a minute. I still don't have it in, so I'll do something else for now.
My friends from Portugal say you're very good.
Oh, thank you. Obrigado, amigos teu João. Should I do something in Portuguese?
No, please.
Rude. My accent isn't that bad. Here we go. Tumanako. Wow, I haven't sung this since we went on tour, but I listen to it quite often. So this is Chantal Akde, Tumanako. And afterwards, you'll be able to click the link underneath the video. I know there's lots of links, don't get confused. And hear it, which is on Spotify. And I've never played it on piano before, so... A major, actually. So we do have sharps. I don't see why we should. Ja, toch G. I don't see why we shouldn't cast step back now in the same despair. Difference of light that could hold us, embrace us. What surrounds me now? I lost this feeling of home, the only way that I still know. Be careful now to show your grace in a different light. Standing there so uptight, stand with me, even just for a while. Complete me and speak volumes in time. Can we see that? It might take a while, but it happens, or should be anyhow. Now we take steps. Even small ones will count, a place of use so gracefully now, with some spaces so others could fill in their words, so they form some sense to me. Some sense to me. We don't want this, no, we don't need this. Just remember that we can hear them remove slowly. Silence speaks from rows in a different rose in a different place. How did we get so far away from where the trees grow and where silence speaks out? I just have to believe we can go back and refill our homes. Please see us, we're not here alone. Join the spaces and fill them with hope. This just has to come to an end and begin with the next holding hands. We don't want this, no, we don't need this. Just make sure that we can hear them remove slowly. Behave now, the silence speaks from rules in a different place. We don't want this, no, we don't need this. Just make sure that we can hear them remove slowly. Behave now, the silence speaks from rules in a different place. In a different place. We can see you staring at us, big eyes always, charging along. It's enough now. Can we sit still and breathe all the same air? Or just one single thought? It's enough now. Staring at us, big eyes always, charging along. It's enough now. Can we sit still and breathe all the same air? And hold just one single thought? Tumanako from Chantal Akda. It's super leuk dat je er bent, Chantal. Love you too. Thank you for the opportunity to go on tour and go to Ural, and just it was such an amazing time. Also, I haven't played this in years. I remember when I was like 13, I went to the library and got the sheet music from the library. So this is going off of what I remember from like 13 years ago. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. Boy, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got troubles, I got them too. Yeah, there isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. If we stick together, we can see it through. 'Cause you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, but none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's me and you, boy. And as the years go by, our friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny. You got a friend in me. 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 When the road looks rough and you're miles and miles from your natural bed, you just remember what your old pal said, 'cause you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Okay. Cadence. Hoi Erik, leuk dat je ook kijkt. Nou, super cool request, Linda. That was very fun to play, as I'm sure y'all realized. Going from, do we do a happy or a sad one?
I think you've earned a sad one again.
I've earned a sad one, right? This is like, the quota balance is, you know, yeah, I can't speak English.
Balanced.
Yeah, balancing. It's coming into balance. This is for John Barnett. This was a very nice request. You're very welcome, Linda. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, fun from who?
From my friends.
Oh, thank you, Joel's friends.
Obrigado.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seed while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people said you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence. Then the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sounds of silence. Whew, thank you. That was very nice. The key change didn't go quite as smoothly as I would have liked it to, but do the whole thing again. Yeah, exactly.
Yes. Next time, please.
John, I hope that you have a lovely weekend and that you have a lovely week next week. Yeah, what else do we have on the list? I'm just going to close all 1,000 browser things that I have open. Okay, for something a bit movie, we're going to go to Georgia for a little bit. This is a folk song from, which region? It's from the western region of Georgia, and it's in the minority language. Anyway, it's a lovely Georgian song. A lot of you, I play this one a lot, so I'm sure a lot of you will recognize it. I hope you enjoy. Vat marine Nice Georgian song. Absolutely beautiful, really. Oh, Omarm van Bluff. Ja, die ken ik niet uit mijn hoofd. En die ken ik ook niet zo goed om gewoon nu zo 1, 2, 3 na te doen. Maar misschien kan ik dat voor de volgende week. Volgende week leren. West Georgia. No, it's not Garia. It's Megruli is the name of the language. Let's see, Megruli. Just casually looking up Georgia on maps. And of course it doesn't have the name of the provinces on Georgia. I will have to look that up for you and I'll get back to you. I'm gonna do some more ones that I had planned. Oh, Shenandoah, to see you. Way, rolling river, oh Shenandoah, I long to see you. Way, we're bound away across the wide Missouri. 'Tis 7 long years since last I saw you. Way, rolling river, 'tis 7 long years since last I saw you. We're bound away across the wide Missouri. Oh, Shenandoah, I love your daughter. Way, rolling river, oh, Shenandoah, I love your daughter. I'm bound away across the wide Missouri. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to see you. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to hear you. Oh, Shenandoah, I love your daughter. Cross the wide Missouri. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to see you. Way, rolling river, oh, Shenandoah, I long to see you. Way, we're bound away across the wide Missouri. west wind moves among the fields of barley. You can tell his sun in his jealous sky that we walked in fields of gold. So he took his love for to gaze a while among the fields of barley. In his arms he fell as his hair came down among the fields of gold. Will you stay with me? Will you be my love among the fields of barley? You can tell his son as the sun goes down that we lie in fields of gold. I never made promises lightly. There have been some that I've broken, but I swear in the days still left, we'll walk in fields of gold. We'll walk in fields of gold. Will you stay with me? Will you be my love among the fields of barley? You can tell the sun in its jealous sky that we walked in fields of gold. Many years have passed since those summer days upon the field of barley. See the children run as the sun goes down, as you lie in fields of gold. You'll remember me when the west wind moves upon fields of barley. You can tell the sun in its jealous sky that we walked in fields of gold. That we walked in fields of gold. That we walked 'cause this is love is ended before it's begun. And too many moonlit kisses seem to warm in the heat of the sun. When I give my heart, it will be completely, or I'll never give my heart. And the moment that I feel like you feel that way too, that's when I fall in love with you. And the moment that I feel like you feel that way too, that's when I fall in love. When I fall in love, when I fall in love with Oh, thank you very much. Whew. That was a
Trip.
that was absolutely, definitely a trip. Yeah, I was gonna say which songs I did, but I'm pretty sure all of you will know know what it all is. Whew. Ha. Wow. I'm very happy that that got recorded and that I got to share that with you guys. That was really lovely. People-
False Lights. That's my dad.
Varexy. Ah.
West Georgia. Would that be?
No, I already spoke about it. Yeah, thanks for the comments.
Problem with onions today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for the lovely comments, everybody. I'm glad that y'all are enjoying it. People who are watching on Facebook, remember that on YouTube the quality is way better, so go watch it over there.
Comment with
There's
saying you looked like Jacob Collier.
who said that?
One friend.
Jacob Collier.
Ah, Jacob
Yeah.
Collier
Yeah,
2.0.
Jacob Collier sent you a message saying you look like me.
Quit
I mean-
stealing my shit.
I mean, man, if Jacob Collier wrote me right now, I would be like, oh man,
End of the stream.
end of the stream, bro. We gon' make music. Not in that way. Anyway, those sorts of jokes are fine for YouTube audiences, right? No one's watching under 18 at this time of. Anyway, ha 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 ha. There are links underneath the video. remember we've already had a load of donations. Thank you very much for everybody who donated. You can use Tiki from the Netherlands and PayPal if you want to pay from outside the Netherlands. There's also the link to my album that I recorded ages ago. Go and give that a listen. There's loads of songs from when I was like a cute little baby Benjamin from like 13 years ago, for Spotify and Apple Music. And also this last week, I took part in a Belgian choir, doing a virtual choir thing, which was super cool, with Swara. And the link for that is also underneath the video. So you guys have a lot of homework, alsjeblieft. Oh, and one last thing, hit a very good point. It would really help me out if y'all could subscribe to the channel. That really helps me, and with the algorithm. And otherwise, we'll just keep going. Just keep swimming.
No one asks for Shakira today.
Yeah, well, funny that you say that. We did already have somebody who asked for Shakira.
The people want Shakira.
The people do want Shakira.
So is this a democracy or something?
It's a democracy when I decide it's a democracy.
Oh, yeah.
So this was for...
So it looks like your Jacob Collier impression is because of your vibrato.
Oh, interesting. Oh, I thought it was the jazz.
No, you said it, I think.
Okay.
Needs more 11s.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful music. This is jazz. Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, so we had a request from like 3 weeks ago, but the day that he requested it, we'd already had 3 Shakira requests. Can't even talk anymore. So I just need to try and think of...
Ed Sheeran.
Oh, I can do one of those in a bit.
She said Shira.
Yeah,
Inspired me. So
Shira, yeah. I'm trying to think... Lucky you were born that far away, so that we could both make fun of distance. Lucky that I love a foreign and for the lucky fact of your existence. Maybe you're a clammy and solid, count the freckles on your body. Never could imagine there were only 10 more ways to love somebody. Can't you see? I am at your feet. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near. And that's it, my dear. They're over here under. You'll never have to wonder. We can always play by ear. And that's it, my dear. Lucky that my lips not only mumble, they spill kisses like a fountain. Lucky that my breasts are small and humble, so you don't confuse them with mountains. Lucky I have strong legs like my mother to run for cover when I need it. And these 2 eyes are fun no other, that they don't leave the crying river. Can't you see? I'm at your feet. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near. And that's it, my dear. They're over here under. You'll never have to wonder. We can always play by ear. And that's it, my dear. Can't you see? Time and again. La felicidad tiene tu nombre, tu piel. Contigo, mi vida, quiero vivir la vida, lo que me queda de vida, quiero vivir contigo. Contigo, mi vida, estoy hasta el cuello por ti. Si sientes algo así, que no quiero que junto a mí. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near. And that's it, my dear. They're over here under. You've got me head over heels. There's nothing left to feel if you really feel the way I feel. champagne. Yes,
You're a
queen.
great Shakira.
I thank you.
Well, you have a bit more beard than her, but
Are you sure that I have more beard than Shakira? Last time I checked.
I said a bit more.
Yeah.
It's not.
I'm just asking how sure you are of that. Bertie, that's such a fantastic. Yeah, thank you.
Shakira is scared. Says Bertie.
Yes.
She should be.
Shakira is scared. It's nice.
Okay, so this is a bit more of a modern one by Ed Sheeran, and this is a special place in my heart. This was the first time that I danced as a follower, and this was like, no,
Big moment for Benji.
yeah, like a really nice thing to be able to do it. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, yeah, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We keep these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul, and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you, and it's the only thing we take with us when we die. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me, and I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. So you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed whisper through the fog. Wait for me to come home. Photograph by Ed Sheeran. Thanks. Oh, I thought of. So apparently, this is what everybody has been singing in Italy for a while.
Bella Ciao.
Exactly. Yeah, because it's a famous. It's anniversary of something, and also for once, my mum actually asked me to sing something that wasn't in English. So I thought, we have to do we have to do this. And of course, La Casa de Papel. Everyone's watching it, and it's on there all the time. So, yeah. Una mattina mi sono alzato, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina mi sono alzato e ho trovato l'invasor. Oh partigiano, portami via. Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 partigiano, portami via, che me sento di morir. E se io muoio da partigiano, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 e se io muoio di partigiano, tu mi devi seppellire, seppellire lassù in montagna. Oh, bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, e seppellire lassù in montagna sotto l'ombra di un bel fiore. E le genti che passeranno, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 e la gente che passeranno mi diranno che bel fiore, questo è il fiore del partigiano. Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, e questo è il fiore del partigiano morto per la
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. And whilst we are in Italian mode, so that was obviously Bella Ciao. Man, I sort of don't need the lyrics for this, but I kind of do.
Did I guess it?
Sorry? Oh no, not even that one.
But you know 3 Italians.
I do know 3 Italian songs. I do know a few more. You heard me sing this. I sung this in Italian class when we were studying. I studied with Hida at the Conservatoire. And I remember singing this and the Italian teacher saying, I'm not going to do his accent, but he said, everything was perfect, apart from the first line when you sounded more British than I've ever heard you before. So now I've got an absolute complex about singing the first line, and I'm sure it's way worse than when it was back then. But apparently for the rest of it, it's okay. So we will see.
Who's Hida?
Who is Hida? Yeah, I guess we'll never know, right? Probably some Frisian dude. Paese mio, che stai sulla collina, disteso come un vecchio addormentato, la noia, l'abbandono e niente son la tua malattia. Paese mio, ti lascio, io vado via. Che sarà, che sarà, che sarà, che sarà della mia vita, chi lo sa. So far tutto, forse niente, da domani si vedrà. E sarà, sarà quel che sarà. Gli amici miei son quasi tutto via e gli altri partiranno dopo me. Peccato perché stavo bene in loro compagnia, ma tutto passa, tutto se ne va. Che sarà, che sarà, che sarà, che sarà della mia vita, chi lo sa. Con me porto la chitarra e se la notte piangerò, io una nenia di paese suonerò. Amore mio, ti bacio sulla bocca, che fu la fonte del mio primo amore. Ti do l'appuntamento come quando non lo so, ma so soltanto che ritornerò. Che sarà, che sarà, che sarà, che sarà nella mia vita, chi lo sa. So far tutto, forse niente, da domani si vedrà. E sarà, sarà quel che sarà. Che sarà, che sarà, che sarà, che sarà della mia vita, chi lo sa. Con me porto la chitarra e se la notte piangerò, io una nenia di paese suonerò. Che sarà, che sarà, che sarà. So far tutto, forse niente, da domani si vedrà. E sarà, sarà quel che sarà. That was Que Sera, in case I hadn't sung that enough during the concerts of all of that one. You're very welcome, Mum. Thanks for the suggestion. Thanks for the request. If there's anybody who's watching who hasn't subscribed yet, make sure you click on the subscribe button because it really helps me out. And tell everybody you know, literally everybody, that same time next week, there'll be the next concert with fantastic microphones with a nice, like a tinned audience. It's like, performing in front of a studio audience. And there's underneath the donation links for anybody who hasn't donated yet or anybody who feels like it. We've already had a load of donations, so thank you everybody who's donated so far. It's going to go towards getting our own equipment for the recordings, so you're really helping us out. Yeah, we've got time for one or two more. We've got the Rose. I might do that one next week. I want to do a bit more of a upbeat one. I just need to work out which yeah. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, all my memories gather round her. Modest lady, stranger to blue water, dark and dusty, tainted on the sky, a misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye, take me home. Country roads to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, I hear her voice in the morning hour, it calls me. The radio reminds me from my home far away, and driving down the road I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. What key was I in? Yeah. Yesterday, take me home. Country roads to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, take me home. Country roads to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, take me home. Country roads to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads. I hope that all of you are singing at home along with me for that one.
Brother likes that song a lot.
Ah, that's good. Then oh, okay. So let's see what I had else on the old spreadsheet. Okay.
I think it's pronounced ye old.
Ye old spreadsheet. Exactly. Yeah. Sorry.
Don't want to humiliate you in front of your fans. But it's wrong.
It's fine. I mean, I'm not even British anymore, so I have
No,
no claim to the English language. Okay, we're going to finish off with 2 really lovely songs. The second one, I don't need the text for the second one. Famous last words. But the second one, I do a lot, so you guys will know it. And it's a nice high one to finish on. So, yeah.
F8.
FM. Bendito el lugar y el motivo de estar ahí. Bendita la coincidencia. Bendito el reloj que nos puso puntual ahí. Bendita sea tu presencia. Bendito Dios por encontrarnos en el camino y de quitarme esta soledad de mi destino. Bendita la luz, bendita la luz de tu mirada. Bendita. Sorry, I have an audience who have got a slappalach. Bendita la luz, bendita la luz de tu mirada desde el alma. Benditos ojos que me esquivaban, simulaban desde que me oraban y de repente sostienes la mirada. Di-dan, di-di-da-dan, di-di-di. Bendito Dios por encontrarnos en el camino y de quitarme esta soledad de mi destino. Bendita la luz, bendita la luz de tu mirada. Bendita la luz, bendita la luz de tu mirada. Gloria divina de esta suerte del buen tino, de encontrarte justo ahí en medio del camino. Gloria al cielo de encontrarte ahora, llevarte mi soledad y coincidir en mi destino, en el mismo destino. Bendita la luz, bendita la luz de tu mirada. Bendita la luz, bendita la luz de tu mirada. Bendita mirada, oh, That was Bendita Toulouse. Okay,
Oh,
what were you guys laughing
sorry
about?
For disturbing.
So,
Joel's friends are standing reaction gifts.
Yeah, I guess I don't get it. Okay, well, I'm glad you. I'm glad you. Well, yeah, as you guys can hear, that yeah, the gifts are very funny. I can promise you. Thanks everybody for watching this evening on Facebook and YouTube. It's been really lovely to play for you guys. It's been great having you here. Make sure you stay safe in Corona times. I hope that the lockdown is good for you and everybody who you know. Remember, tell your friends about next week, 8 till 10 Dutch time, Central European time. Hit the subscribe button, and if you can, let other people know to subscribe, because it really helps us with the algorithm and reaching more people in general. What else was there? Everybody for donation, thank you very much. We've had a load of donations in. If any of you want to donate, the links are underneath the video. We really appreciate it and love you all. Thank you very much for being here. And we will finish on a very famous one, which all of you guys know. Yeah, because I do it all the time. It's like a really emotional song, and then these guys are still laughing. Maak de wind je lieve lippen schraal. Vraag de wereld jou om klare taal. Ik trakteer je op een warm onthaal. Zo voel je wat ik voel. En in de schaduw van de duisternis, wanneer er niemand in de buurt meer is, smeet ik onze zielsverbintenis. Zo voel je wat ik voel. Ik weet dat jij nog aan het twijfelen bent. Ik heb het beste met je voor. Ik weet het sinds de dag dat jij me kent. Ik twijfel niet of jij wel bij me hoort. Ik verdraag ellende, honger, kou. Ik kruip op mijn knieën, nog een weg naar jou. Niets weerhoudt me, want ik hou van jou. Zo voel je wat ik voel. Er is een wilde woeste storm op komst. Die laat geen ruimte meer voor spijt. Al het gejammer is een keer verstomd. Gun me gewoon nog even tijd. Ik breng je geluk Thank you once again for joining, everybody. Have a lovely night, and see you same time next week. Ciao.